is to give the charging statement. Alam niyo ba bakit ina-charge? Kasi katulad itong Pasko, medyo malamya kayo, malambot. Wala kayong ginagawa kundi i-celebrate ang Christmas. So, kaya ako nagsuot ng ganito. Nakita mo naman maraming reindeer. Ha? Wala lang kabayo, wala akong makitang kabayo eh. Para lalo tayong lumakas. For us to serve our constituent next year with, in other words, with more power. Okay? So, just listen to me and you answer if I ask some questions. Okay? Ready? Ready. Charging of officers and trustees. The office to which you have been elected is one of dignity and importance. In accepting this office, you undertake a responsibility which should not to be assumed lightly nor carelessly discharged. You are charged with the duties of seriously and resolutely furthering the objective of our samahan, the Pambansang Samahan ng Engineering Mechanical Incorporated. With the Constitution, bylaws, and manual of operation as your guide, you must be ever ready to exercise the function of the office to which you are entrusted. Further, you are charged with governing the Samahan according to the laws of democracy, under which laws every man who wishes to speak shall be heard. Towards the end, in every matter considered, the best opinion prevails through the express will of the majority, and the best course of action follows. Board of Trustees 2025, National Officers and Directors, do you accept this charge? Yes! Naku, datan talaga yung Presidente, kumagay. Pero muntik na akong di mag-charge. Sabi mo, yung cabinet ang pag-charging mo. Okay, so may I request the Honorable Jenny Gobora to give or to administer the oath of office.